Good morning, everybody. I want to go over a few things with you about the Dreame Z1 Pro pool robot that I've been showcasing and promoting this pool season. It's the end of the season for me. Just so you can see, my pool has been drained because we're going to have it redone in the fall and spring this year. And this box here, uh, this box that you're looking at right here, is where I've kept my Dreame robot when it's not in use. So I want to go over some final tips on winter usage for you. So if you have a Dreame or any pool robot for that matter, it's going to stay in really great condition for you. Okay, and that's important. So we're going to take this out, and I'm going to go through those steps with you now. Now, what you're supposed to do is remove the robot from the pool and drain all the water. That's been done. Okay, you're supposed to turn the robot off. And now my robot is off. You're supposed to charge it to between 80 and 100%. So we'll hook this up now to do that. That's on the charge mode now. But I do need to make sure it's shut off. I think I turned it on by mistake. Yeah, that's going to shut off, I think, now. All right, now, once this is charged up to like 80 to 100%, okay, you're going to want to store this robot in a place that's going to be around anywhere between 0 and 131 degrees Fahrenheit. That's kind of silly as far as I'm concerned, so I'm going to say that I'm going to put it at room temperature. You're going to want to store this robot indoors in a cool, dry location that is protected and out of the way of direct sunlight, rain, or frost. I have a finished basement. It's always 71 degrees down there. So after this gets up to charge, I'm going to put it down there for the winter. It says keep it safe from extreme temperatures, flames, and areas accessible to children. Well, that's obvious. Protect it from dust if stored for an extended period. I'll probably cover it over with something and put it out of the way. Uh, and then come next pool season, before you use it again, charge the battery fully. By doing this, you're going to get some additional longevity out of your product, your pool robot. And not only the Dreame Z1 Pro, but this is good for, this kind of rule of thumb is good for any pool robot that you might have. So if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. If I can't answer your question, if I don't know the answer right away, I'll find out and get right back to you. So again, thanks for supporting the channel. Uh, Thanks for buying the Dreame Z1 Pro. I know a bunch of you people have, based on my videos. Uh, it really did a wonderful job this year at keeping my pool spotless. I probably used it every 3 or 4 days throughout the entire summer, and it did a fantastic job. So thumbs up to the people at Dreame, thumbs up to the people that watch my videos, and thumbs up to the people that actually went out and bought this unit. God bless, and have a fantastic off season. Take care.